Saturday. It's Saturday. I'm here at SM. I was cooking breakfast this morning, and the handle fell off my frying pan or my skillet. It had two rivets. Well, I thought they were rivets. Let's put it that way. They look like rivets. They got like these little metal domes on them, and they go into the pan, but they're not. What actually happens is they put this little stud in to that hole, and then from the handle side, hidden, as the handle unscrews, I didn't know that, they've got a nut that goes onto this thing that looks like a rivet that pulls it through. And over the last year I've had it, it's rusted away because it's not made of stainless steel. It looks like stainless steel, but it's polished steel. So I went to pick up my breakfast today, and as I was turning around to put it on, and I put in my spoon, pan fell on the floor. Yeah. God, I'm a knob sometimes. I'm a real numbnut. Anyway, so I had to go out and buy 3 new pans, which is good because I got 20% discount on them. So I got 3 pans for 2,300 peso, which is a good deal for me. That's a good deal. That's about £40 or about $45. That 20% offsets the tariffs. Wow, look at that. So in SM today they got this display presentation of Suzuki motorcycles, and there we go, looking very, very nice. They got a disco. What I find very difficult is you end up with all these little places
We're excited to have you here,
that are all,
and we hope you enjoy experiencing
they've all got trip hazards. Right, okay. So this one,
on this opportunity
Suzuki.
to explore, connect, and discover what makes Suzuki the ultimate choice for riders everywhere.
The ultimate choice for riders everywhere. You can't hear anything because it's a nightclub. It's not a motorcycle show, it's a nightclub. Wow. They all look very, very nice. Oh, look. Oh, you've got your finance deals, you've got your 125s, you've got your 150s, you've got your 200s, you've got your automatics, you've got your gears. Very, very nice. Nice colour. Wheels are too small for me. Look at that. There we go. Oh, look at that. There's a man. Oh, this is a popular one. This is that one that everybody's riding at the moment. I can't remember what it's called. It's there. Looks nice. I can't ride that because I've got no movement in my left ankle to change gears. But they do look nice. I couldn't do a long run on one, not with that little slinky seat. Suzuki SM Lanang today. Oh, there we go. Nice sports bike. Being followed by a guy in a blue t-shirt. Very nice. Yeah. Oh, look, there's an off-roader. Very, very popular. Chunky tyres. They do look, some of them look really, really nice, and others just look very, very small and very, very flimsy to me. So this one is V-Sport. They just love it. They just all just stand around mingling. So I mean, how small they look. Oh, my bag just dropped down. They look. They look like a child's bike. I've seen people riding these, and they've got 1-inch wheels, 1-inch tyres, stripped out motor, and they're doing what they call Superman. They're laying down. They're laying down on the bike, feet out in the back, holding on to the handlebars. Anyway, so I got this lady here. She's doing a Suzuki bet. Yeah. Big bike. Well, I don't see anything over 350, 400 cc's here. Nothing. All small bikes. All skinny little bikes. Yeah. There we go. There's a Sport. Very, very nice. Not for me. Not for me. I can stand next to this one and yeah.
Calling all Suzuki fans and motorcycle and
I was
bring your family and friends and join the Suzuki'S.
if I was a lot thinner, I'd actually turn around and maybe look at one of these bikes. Not really. These, I don't have the competence or the brain capacity to control one of these bikes at speed. Very, very fast. Accelerates very, very quickly. And the traffic that's in the Philippines, they don't see you coming until you're sitting on the front or on the side of a van or a truck or a car or an SUV. But it's cheap transport. Anyway, SM Lanang. There we go. Suzuki Big Bike Show. Buy my ice cream. And buy my coffee. $2.60 for my ice cream, stracciatella, and my coffee on a Saturday. It's busy here today. It's really, really busy. Lots of people walking around with prams. The push chairs and prams. But they're getting their exercise. Children are coming out with their mummy and daddies. Annie's at home studying. She's got a report to hand in on Monday. She went to bed this morning at 8 o'clock in the morning. She's up did an all-nighter. So I didn't get a lot of sleep because the print was going and stuff like that. But that was alright. I met with George today. Had a cup of coffee. He enjoyed it. Salamat kuya. So I enjoyed that cup of coffee. Very, very, very nice. I've got my change. Oh, look at that. 20 peso coins. I like 20 peso coins. I don't like 20 peso notes, but the coins I like. Look at that, brand spanking new. The guy over there only made them about 20 minutes ago. Joke. There we go, in my receipt. I always come here. I always come to Gelato for some ice cream. I'm going to get some money. What's the other thing I'm going to say about money? Oh yeah, well, I transfer money into the Philippines, and I do that every 4 or 5 weeks. Yesterday, absolutely blown away. I use a company that has a green background with a big W in it, and for the last 8 years I've been transferring the money, getting a great deal, and it's taking, I don't know, a day, 2 days to get the money into my bank in the Philippines. Yesterday I did the transaction, and they turned around and said your money's being transferred by Instapay. Never heard of it, haven't got a clue about it, don't understand it whatsoever. It's not costing me more money to transfer. It's not like normal, you turn around and you get involved in it, and then they turn around and put the prices up. Anyway, my money ended up going from London to Davao City in 20 seconds. Yeah, that's right, 20 seconds. Not 2 or 3 day wait, not 1 or 2 days wait, 20 seconds. I've got a ringtone set up on my bank here, and every time something goes into the account, it goes bing. And I did the transaction online, and it went bing. And I was like, open my, there it goes, your account has just received thousands and thousands and thousands of pesos. Technology, when it works, it's great. I suppose if there was a power cut or there's no electricity, then it would take a little bit longer. But my new hat, I wear the hat so people know that I'm here in the mall. I don't blend in now. I look like a don. Anyway, I'm gonna have my ice cream, and then we'll have a walk around the mall. There's a Suzuki promo going on downstairs, but there are lots of discounts at the moment here. Lots of discounts, anywhere up to 50% on household goods in SM, and you get even more if you turn around and take an SM card. But I don't do SM card. I used to, but I never used it, and it used to run out, and I'd lose all my discounting. That's just me not being wise enough to work it out. Old, really, that's what happens. Old. Anyway, be back in a minute.